One way to strengthen your relationship is to plan activities with your spouse. It can be as simple as cooking, gardening, or being involved with any variety of hobbies. It can be a more planned activity to attend a museum, a cultural or social event, or involvement in family activities. Even if you may not be a golf enthusiast, if your spouse is, try it sometime for fun. It's important to have some similar interests and also an appreciation for your spouse's favorite interests. Even if you don't share that same interest, learn a little about it so you can appreciate their enthusiasm. When a couple shares interests, it keeps them involved with each other's lives, which is critical to maintaining a lasting marriage relationship. If you would like to receive the 101 Marriage Secrets that separate the top 1% of successful marriages from the rest, then go to our website, www.marriageadvice.com, and request the free ebook. Don't let improving your marriage wait another day. Go to our site and download the free ebook today.